So once you hear that, but you know, say now something else. 9 day share for here, Naija FM 102.7. Today, now the 13th of September 2024. Now another Friday don't show, and of course, you know, say from 12 o'clock now time for Big Brother's Little Brother, and of course on top that segment you go hear everything we don't share. From the party to the eviction to the nominatement to the some basbos, and best of all, Parrot, he don't cast, he don't talk. And he mentioned one, we know say that word, we know if you use them on radio, but when he call him, I laugh tire. You know that kind of thing. But you see, no be only me go run this talk. May I first introduce myself. Me na Lady J, a sang part one of Naija FM, the baby girl of Lagos, and your baby girl for life. And this gist, you know, they're sweet. You know, you get some kind of way, say if you chop them alone, you know they're sweet. When you chop them with somebody else, it is sweet very well. And this JC be like one of them. Of course, we get the beautiful, our weekly guest on top this matter, Austin Better.
Hi.
How far now? How your body?
I did fine. I feel better. Yes, thank you.
God. I will thank God. So how your week don't go? We'll start from there.
So far, so good. TGIF. They sweet me.
Abi. Okay, so now, these are our people. We'll start from the party.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, where you almost start.
The party, how far?
The pool party now?
No.
Which one? Saturday party?
The after party.
Oh.
Where all these girls just a shout anyhow. They shout anyhow. They talk all kinds of things. I can't be like saying now all the girls nine.
Now them now.
Hey.
Now them.
Big brother, you do this one.
Now big you do this one. Big collect. Big collect.
So when did you get to talk about that whole drama, after party drama? Well, all the girls just they talk all kinds of things. Anita, come they vex, say why people they leave their towels. For
where all of them they don't go
now. They don't go now. Tofa just stay, they look at me. I say, Tofa, help you again now.
Normally, if you don't hide, and the next thing will go happen to you be that.
I say, Tofa, help you again now. Even Suj.
All of them, nobody wear that night.
Nobody wear. They just they shout, they blow whistle.
Nobody wear. You go give us drama, whether I like them or not.
Voila. By the following day, I feel like they don't even remember what happened.
They don't remember now. And that's the thing. Like one, I don't drink. The next morning, everybody blank out. Everybody will come and ask, "Hey, what happened? What happened? Who said that? Who did this?" Now so they be. Yeah. Now so they be.
Oh my God. Because I said, now wow, I never see this level of misbehavement. Too much. Then we get there. Okay, thank God Sunday no eviction day, but them no. Now may we enter the bars those. One, love a girl. I love the boy. I'm feeling the boy.
Person we don't he don't go. He don't go. I don't talk this thing since. Nobody won't believe me. I say this girl, she don't love up on this boy. This Shaun. I don't know what Shaun give up. The boy is fine. So yeah, I did yes. Nothing when anybody won't tell him. And the fact that she can't use her mouth say, he's my boyfriend in the house. I say,
in the house. Yeah. Okay, me I won't believe say the reason why she say my boyfriend in the house now based off on say she said he never asked the question.
Never asked the question.
So as far as this house they concerned though, we be couple. We don't know what will happen for our side. Which I feel they fair enough. How you see him?
Who should be the boyfriend? Why just leave him as we and no put tag. Once you don't put tag for something like this, who should be boyfriend in the house? So outside.
But Ebuka say, is he your boyfriend?
Now because of the answer when she first give Ebuka, saying I love the boy, she used the L word and then hold up.
Let's take a moment.
So that she first started when make Ebuka call us and say, okay, yeah. Since you already they told this lane, tell us is this, and he just had a straight face the entire time. Now
but get one place where they laugh. Yeah, I got this smile.
When she talked that, but he just they look like this. I look his face. Listen me, I'm my body. I look if he just they like this. They look like say I say when you take it easy, take it.
But say one in somebody
where
they talk her mind as
well. No, I no verse for him. I no verse so I just they say. Medicine not go past. Maybe water not go past the Gary.
Yeah, but even the Shaun himself, maybe we talk through. The express so.
Shaun know the
but
express.
Low-key, he dey scared of losing her.
Shaun know the express.
The express to Wani. Now the thing be
express to other people.
And now the thing be that.
But say sometimes even for some relationship, normally you go see girl will be say if she dey with her friends or other people, they run him mouth. But once he dey with him partner, you go just the person quiet. So maybe make her give them benefit of the doubt. Yes. Maybe.
So now may we go the question to where Ebuka ask Handi, say it be like say since the
split
it be like say they too difficult for you. So just be like say one day your individual stuff, you one day with your sister. And she say no be like so. Say based off on facts, say they don't date together all this time. Yes, they sit at the same house, but just be like say now they compete against each other, but no be like that for them.
It no go too easy for them like that, considering the fact that two of them they be like, apart from say they be twins, they be friends, and they practically do everything together. Now saying me they compete, they don't even see it as a competition, which is why that the way Big Brother say, yeah, can't talk about yourself. You will say one of them will still enter the campaign for his sister, so it's not magic. She cannot just turn around overnight and try to be herself. They do everything together. So you go easy like that.
Then go feel marry.
They go feel marry now, but the thing is say their partners now go really try to make sure say that bond still remain as it is.
Because if it's spoiled, it will be something for them.
It no go too easy for them like that.
Okay, well we'll take them like that. She's Oba.
Body.
Ha. Will I say she won't be baddie by force by fire? She no be baddie. Which one be? I want you to leave me alone, but still
I
be
want
around.
Confusion.
Stress. We are stress with that.
Confusion. What won't choose about? But now only Benny they tell I want him to. I need space, but I want you around. Why you know they tell the same thing to this your own body brothers when you don't get
Nari brothers? I just say my brothers have been a crush.
Not before my mouth to go here. I say brother, now what she tell us?
We know what they see.
But since they say nothing, they did. Better mind your business.
Hey, okay, we'll leave them at that. But this you want me to be around, leave me space. Hey,
confusion, madam.
Pick a side.
But say normally some people they like that.
No.
Where we say they don't want to follow you talk, but they want me you just there. Why? How? Wait till you want me the person they do for you. You don't want to follow me talk, but you want me can they send you message hello and hi. I know hello, choose a struggle.
You know if you do two at the same time. So we don't go all through that one now. Thank God nobody come out. Now make we talk about the face-to-face nomination and the Parrot we don't cast.
Open
mat.
See that live nomination, when Big Brother don't first score TJ inside that room, say I carry this box, I stay again. Something will happen.
Yes, now
Biggie no go just let them being their first single nominations, So me too, I was expecting, say Biggie they always shock us, so I was really expecting that, and just seeing how it went, it came as a surprise to me, because again I've always known nominations to be inside that room. Which I be say me will do on face to face, but Biggie say now open ballots. You will be say, I don't want shake body inside the house. Me, I will shake you people by fire. I will shake you people by fire, by force.
Oh.
I liked it though. I liked it.
At least everybody go know who be una. But what they surprising I say, they know they nominate Anita. They know they nominate Nelly.
And surprisingly, they can't finally see one of them by the way. Because normally they don't nominate those people too. But the one when surprised me, not be say even surprised me, the one where we say they don't talk about them the entire week. Victoria and Onyeka, where Onyeka nominate Victoria.
Yes.
And Victoria they look say, I think say we'll be friends.
Make I tell you, that nomination they give man issue. You deal with my man, so I need to get you out.
But Onyeka, when they call the ask her, why she not feel own up to her? Can't they say, she nominated my sister? Wait till they talk.
May I tell you something? Onyeka feel cause fire. But she no go on act. She no go on own up.
That day she don't. If you want that her diary session, Biggie asked her and say, okay, so you nominated Victoria. He say, she be Victoria nominated my sister. Biggie say, no, you are not Chizoba. Why did you nominate? Like obviously Biggie wanted to know why, but she was trying to make it look like because Victoria nominated Chizoba.
No,
that's
because
not true.
Of that. It just be like say you do something, they find
reasons. Then Biggie call her back say, madam, we are talking about you. Why you nominate Victoria because she have been giving bad vibes.
Now
Ozzy.
Na jealousy. I said she's about Onyeka talk the truth. Now Ozzy.
Ozzy.
Who
shouldn't be beating around the bush. If you do something, own her with your chest. Say, okay, now why I do that?
Man. Some they call her Manana. Now because of Manana. Onyeka. Drama queen. So now this Parrot don't cast. And make I tell you the truth. Most of those conversations now Onyeka. And then the only one way
the difference now Cassia
now tell her husband say Onyeka friendship.
Still Onyeka name still appear.
Onyeka, what do you do, big brother?
Still appear for the gist.
Because I did that one when she talks say her back nine be the problem because Shaun exes get she cheese or bad she they tell. And on Saturday morning she talk that I watch them.
All of them no say she. Now that's that last one. They can't the one that say who talk and who talk and who talk.
Cassia talk
no, them no. Now when Cassia can't go tell Handi by herself say now me talk this thing and see why I talk her. And then Cassia also tell Nelly the same thing too. So the most of the housemates still they wonder like she's about all of them they still they wonder say who talk this thing but now Cassia talk and me I happy say Parrot talk. I happy say Parrot talk because Parrot done there 1 week now. Before the talk, and talk. Come the one that say, waiting they happen. They don't on our Parrot. I mean, Parrot, your voice don't lost. But it was nice to see that. And the housemates, they never take us serious.
What did they worry them?
They don't even take the Parrot. Parrot still they talk. These people don't work out. They don't they work out go. Biggie. Play it again. I know say gist still plenty. Biggie play
before gist plenty. A lot of tables supposed break now.
Biggie just they give us preamble. So just they look.
But he don't start to the offload investment on top of their body.
They deserve them now. You want your come Biggie has the chop, the fat. You don't know how much food be. You don't know how much they set is for market. You just walk on relax.
The last week they talk about the crates of eggs where they hide. Don't you say? To be honest, crate of egg now don't reach like 5K or more than 5,000 now.
5,000
and then somebody get
plus
5,000 more than 3 crates.
Keep 3 crates inside in locker. Saying buy am. You buy am, which money you take buy am? Biggie money. Then you know what give Biggie content. You lie. You go give us content.
But as he return them, the egg no complete. Be like say they use them do that HOH task.
Biggie constituted and say. There Ben say share anyhow you like. Give anybody where you like.
Voila. In a few minutes we'll go so enter market, sell market. When we come back we will continue. But before we enter the market, may we talk about this changing of Big Brother towards the housemate. Big Ben they expect reward.
Biggie give an Ella.
Well done.
Biggie, Biggie, your savage mood, the choke.
See, as they do all of them, once they talk small, your diary session has come to an end.
You may leave the diary. Now that Ella will give Ozzy. Ozzy say, Biggie, can I ask a question? For like 2 minutes, Biggie no open mouth, talk anything. Then the boy cuckoo stand up, carry leg, waka come out. Voila. Up until even yesterday party. Biggie, no chicken, no meat. No food. They don't want to give content.
Now only drink.
They don't want to give
and you don't lock them inside.
No more garden. They don't want to give Biggie content for in house. You not go tell Biggie how to run the house. Now you go run the house for now. So they should bring it on. Biggie is equal to the task, and I love it. Biggie, give us more. And all those sound, all those.
Now baby they cry, person they cough. Away. You can't even push all of them. Say go. Every house may move to your room now.
There say no duvet anywhere else. And inside the room, we call off AC.
Oh God, this one na cruel and unusual punishment. Now, one the few things that we would like to talk about before we go wrap them up. This crush where Toke get on top Shaun. What is going on
Toke,
there?
I didn't see you.
Hey, I should go visit them. She visited them a few days ago just to let them know say.
Mona give us more. And when she entered that house from the door, I said, Toke, my idea your body. Make I see. Because, say if they follow that the boss show, you go down, they see, say, Toke, wait till they happen for you.
And now, because I watch when she talks, say, she sit down small for Shaun leg. Say now one
I
no
see
leave
am
am to sit down for long.
Come even still use her hand put for the boy neck. I say
But she said the person wey she con the trip more the more for na Tofa. Say Tofa dey really cute.
Anyway, Toke na drama queen. So all those ones, I know say when they come out now, that one don't pass. But for now, allow her, make she crush.
Well, that one na just by the way. So now we talk about the pool party and the plan where Handi get to
for Kellyrae. Operation.
Blue ever where you did. Hey,
yesterday party sweet. Oh, whoever put that playlist together really try. And again, you know, say big is still the verse, so meat no day for party, nothing. Now just drinks. More na just dey drink, so that when I drink finish, I'll give me content whether I like am or not.
Yeah.
You know, then just seeing Handi, you know, say she don't tell Big Brother for diary session say she want move towards Kellyrae. But wetin people no can remember, we say some weeks back Kellyrae don already tell Biggie say even himself he want dey move towards Handi, so that people no go too they suspect him and Cassia. Say if he mention two names that they will say Handi or Anita. But based on say Anita don't too dey serious with Tofa,
yeah.
Now Handi remain. And him and his wife, Cassia, they don't already discuss this thing before. So even that Saturday party where they dance, where they do all those things, you know, Cassia not really react because she know waiting they happen. But Handi no say them don't already
don't
talk
discuss
am.
them.
You understand? So now you now can't go pool party, can't they try operate. But I love that she said I will do this thing, and she try her best. You know, say some of this housemate they go they run out say I will do this, I will talk to this person, I will confront this person. I know they see anything, but at least Handi talk her and she try, even though the operation not so successful like that, you know. But at least she try. You know, the whole dancing, shake body, where Kellyrae day, all those kind of things. Then even carry him out, come with the boy man. You know, I liked it. It's spices of the game. I know some people don't they talk anyhow for internet, and they want scatter people her marriage. She know say they don't marry.
She don't know now.
I
sure say she no go near.
She don't know now.
Know.
Plus now game. You did the house now game. You never you enter the house. You no talk say you marry. She no go fit play that kind of play now with TJ.
Yes.
You understand? Because they no say TJ don't marry. But for them, they suspect say something they go on between Kellyrae and Cassia. So her whole intention be say make I try and make I see Cassia reaction, not be say she won't scatter anything or you know.
I agree with you. I agree with you in that regard. Now one year again, she can't go waiting. Okay, because she promised people that say she go her next diary session she go carry letter love letter from Shaun to her. Read them for Big Brother. Big Brother, not just the mood.
Biggie don't get joy.
He said, I say you know say you read the rule book. You know say it dey against the rule to write.
Biggie off me.
Hey,
but you know say if to say Biggie know the verse, if I listen to everything
yes,
she write for that. But this week Biggie say no peace for you people. People that don't want to give me content, I'm going to milk it out of you people. The way say change out for them. Even Anita. Where Big Girl say, oh yeah, what do you think about the Parrot? Anita say, oh no, it wasn't really juicy. Now Big is okay. For the past 7 weeks you've been here, what juicy thing have you done? I say what?
Big Brother, the biggest gamer.
This one enter.
Hey, he enter.
Nelly enter. Go they complain about Onyeka.
Okay, Onyeka.
Say that time when Cassia tell her say Onyeka's friendship is mostly strategic, blah blah blah. So she won't come go give Biggie gist. Biggie, can you imagine? How can you be friends with somebody and it's all strategy? That's not fair. Biggie goes, okay, so wait till it go happen. You wait till be your own strategy. You say no, you know, just chilling, doing my own thing. Biggie's okay for the past how many weeks? That thing, wait till be that thing where you don't
do. Yes.
And then Biggie, calm down.
Yeah, I sure that one go make them think well. Make them think well.
Biggie,
you then think say then they smart, and then you say Big Brother days plenty steps ahead
so
of
they come out from the diary room, they go ask, which Eli give you? Which one didn't do you? Which one? You know, it was funny. It was funny.
Well, I hope say then go step up their game, but it be like say they don't step up a little bit.
They no need if they like. Biggie is ready now. They talk. I know they fear because Biggie they in charge. if they do another one, should be not off hot water.
And I don't have hot water. No hot water.
No duvet downstairs.
No duvet. Even till they talk when he doing interview, she said, Big brother, what happened? What did we do?
That one Big is still giver. So people have lost your senses of competition. And we need that back, and it's true. So anything he needs to do to get them back on track, Biggie, I support it. I'm your sister. I support. All right, so finally, today, na their wager. Their wager. Hope they go. Somebody say their attitude, gel. Their attitude towards their wager, gel. You know why it go be like say gel? A lot of drama from Big Brother don't happen this week, so you not go know where really they work. But me, I've seen them working. Because even after the pool party, you say they drink everything, they still went back to trying to work on their wager and all of that. If they win, they win. If they win, if they not win, now them know. Now them know. The day on them at the end of the day. Well, I wish them the best. Yeah. Who go has? I be which people? Because Biggie not be one person supposed go this Sunday. He said at least one. He said at least Biggie, one. Biggie, sweep them. May sweep them. May sweep the ass. But I have no idea. I have no idea how many people will be leaving. But I shall not say at least like Biggie talk. One person must go. Who go one go now? Nobody go and go, but at the same time, somebody has to go. And Atofa now cost this your nomination. And I cost them. Why? You know here. Pay attention to instructions. You know here. No. I don't know, Biggie. Anybody where they no vote for, come out the person. Well, we wish them all the best. Yeah. Our fingers they crossed. Up until Sunday, who go? We don't know how the party go be tomorrow. Hopefully. Biggie, I beg, give us a show. And anyway, I trust you. Well, thank you very much for coming, Austin B. Thank you. We're so happy to have you all the time. Next week, Friday, and another time from 12 o'clock, we get Big Brother's Little Brother. Everything will happen for Big Brother's house. I could always tell you, I always tell Una, watch the show, not the for highlights. For watch TV. For TV. No, just watch highlights for Instagram. No, just watch short videos for Instagram or X or even Facebook. Or come they arguments. Watch the full show so that you go get the full. And all these people when they say the show is dry, they know they watch them. The internet they do. Don't mind them. Well, we'll go escort Austin B with this song from SC Junior. Call him Afriye. Enjoy the regular programming. See they continue on top Naija FM 102.7 for workshop. Don't go anywhere.